Hello amazing people, how are you going? Apa kabar semua? I'm Evelyn and welcome to my channel. We all know that making graphics and presentation can be a real hassle. But what if you can do it all with just a few clicks? In today's video, I'm going to show and walk you through top 21 Canva shortcut keys, which is ultimately useful and very productive for your design. Without further ado, let's begin now. Here on my Canva main page, let me get to the design folder and open up the template and we can start right away. Alrighty, first up is how to add a line in Canva. All you just need to do is tap the L button on the keyboard, and thereafter you can change the color of the line, the width, or any other types of line that you like the dotted ones here. A line can do a lot to improve your designs on Canva, from borders to divisions, so it definitely has a very good magic touch. I'll be using a sample document below to show you an illustration. Next one, just tap the R button to add a rectangular shape or box onto your canvas. Well, rectangles are a very fun way to add borders and as text highlighters. So let me use a sample template here and present it to you. Following up is adding circles or round elements into your Canva design. Simply just tap the C button and the round object instantly appears. So just like any other shape available, circles can definitely bring a wow factor to your design. Next, here comes the fun part. If you're using a lot of text in your Canva design, simply press letter T and a new text box appears. And this is such a cool shortcut key that simplifies things up and really a total lifesaver. Next, these two shortcuts are pretty common and similar to other software and programs. For Windows users, use Ctrl key, and if you're on a Mac, that's going to be the Command key. So to copy, hit Ctrl C and then hit Ctrl V to paste the elements or text. Another tip is you can copy the element on this page and paste it on the following page or any other pages that you like. If you're looking for a much simpler way of copy and paste in Canva, use Ctrl D for duplication. You are able to create multiple copies of the same element by holding Ctrl button and keep tapping on the D button. Thereafter, you have to reposition each element that you have duplicated. Meanwhile, to delete an element, tap on the image or element and then use the backspace button on the keyboard. Simple as that. Following up, these three shortcut keys works amazing on your text in Canva. So to bold your text, use Ctrl B or Command B. To underline your text, hit Ctrl U or Command U. And finally, to make your text italic, press Ctrl I or Command I. Next up, use Shift Ctrl K to transform your text into uppercase. Here we have a title all in lowercase. Go ahead and hit Shift Ctrl K and it changes all the letters into uppercase for you. And here comes the next shortcut key, which is moving elements or text by using the arrow keys on the keyboard, either left, right, up or down. Each tap on the arrow moves 1 pixel. By tapping continuously, you may clearly see the elements are moving gradually on the direction that you want. Then hold down the Shift key and any arrow keys to nudge the elements and move it faster. To zoom in and out on your canvas, simply hit Ctrl plus or Ctrl minus. Another two simple shortcuts to be used are Ctrl 0, that zoom in 100% of your design. Then by tapping Ctrl Alt 0, your canvas will return automatically to fit back into the canvas. Now we are looking at Ctrl left and right bracket here to send an element to the front and to the back. For instance, I add a square shape to the template. To send a square to the back of the photo, hit Ctrl or Command, then left bracket. And to send the square element to the front again, simply tap Ctrl and then the right bracket. And last but not least, to undo an action, hit Ctrl Z on the keyboard. And to redo this action, just tap Ctrl Y. If this tutorial video and find helpful, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in the next video, I'll show you how to create a brand logo with Canva free account. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great week. Signing out now.